Hello, and welcome to Parasoft Selenic. Today I'll guide you through the process of installing and setting up your IntelliJ IDE to use Selenic. Before we dive in, make sure you've already downloaded Selenic and have it unzipped on your system. If you haven't done so, please pause this video and complete this step before proceeding. Throughout this guide, you'll learn how to install Selenic into your IntelliJ IDE and activate your trial. Now let's get started. To install the Selenic and Parasoft plugin into your IntelliJ IDE, start by clicking on the File menu. Then head over to Settings. In the Settings dialog, look for the Plugins tab. Near the top right-hand corner, click on the gear icon and choose to install plugin from disk. Navigate to the Parasoft IntelliJ plugin zip on your system. It's tucked away in the Selenic install directory, specifically in the IntelliJ folder. Once you've found it, select and hit OK. You'll need to repeat this step to install the Selenic plugin into IntelliJ as well. So go back to the gear icon, install plugin from disk, and look for the Selenic zip. Select and hit OK. Once both plugins are installed, it's time to give IntelliJ a quick refresh using the Restart IDE button. After IntelliJ has restarted, the Parasoft plugin will ask you to accept the license agreement in order to continue. Great! Now we're ready to move on to the activation process. To activate your account, you'll need an activation code. This code should have been sent to you via email. If you haven't received your activation code yet, please reach out to Parasoft first before continuing. Assuming you have your activation code ready, let's proceed to activate the trial. Begin by navigating to File, and from there go to Settings. Now expand the arrow next to Parasoft, followed by the arrow next to License. Finally, click on Activation Code. Fill out your information. Be sure to use the same email address your activation code was delivered to. A valid email and activation code pair is required to activate the trial. Here, we'll just put in our information, and we're all set. Next, hit Redeem Code. If any issues occur when redeeming the activation code, please contact Parasoft. Finally, hit Apply, OK, and you can close the dialog. There you go. Your initial setup is done, and you have activated your Selenic trial. Your enhanced Selenium testing journey has begun. Thanks for watching.